So guys, once you're on VMware Workstation, in the top left, you want to select File. Now you want to select New Virtual Machine. And now once you're on this, you want to go with a custom installation. And then click on Next. And then click on Next again. And then once we're here, make sure that you select I will install the operating system later. Make sure that you select this option right here. I will install it later. And then click on Next. You want to choose your operating system. For me, it's going to be Windows. And then your version, I'm going to go with Windows 11. And then click on Next. Choose your virtual machine name. And choose your location where you want to install the virtual machine. And then click on Next. You want to fill in these details right here. And then click on Next. You can choose your firmware type, and if you want secure boot or not, it's up to you. And then click on Next. We're just going to skip through all of this for now. Click on Next. Next, 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 Next. Finish. The virtual machine that you just created should now appear right here. Now you want to select Edit Virtual Machine Settings. And now this will come up. And now once you're on this, you want to select the CD and DVD SATA tab. And now you want to select Use ISO Image File. And then click on Browse. You want to find your Windows ISO file. For me, it's right here. I'm going to double click on it. You can now set all your settings that we skipped through earlier over here. You can just go through all this and set your settings. But the important part is to make sure that you now have Use ISO Image File selected right here, and then click on OK. And now you want to power on your virtual machine, and it should be working now. That's how you do it.